Hey everyone, I knew I was going to forget something. I wanted to open up one of these controllers. So I guess I'm going to have to make a part 3 of this video. So I have the part 1 where I take apart the console itself. Then I have the part 2 which shows the motherboard. And it's unfortunate I didn't remember, but I had taken one of these apart in the original video. Not too much exciting in here. But I'll show you guys what's in here. There's only 4 little screws. Only thing of possible interest is, I'll show you guys right now, is this stuff right here, which looks like it's silver, similar to keyboards, computer keyboards. The same thing here. I don't want to really remove this right now, but you can see all the silver goes inside into these buttons. So if you're someone who collects silver from keyboards and everything, this would fall into that category. But again, as mentioned in the first video, unless these things are completely destroyed, you should sell them as is. You should only scrap them if they're like completely demolished, full of water damage and broken casings, because then people just won't buy them. But in as-is condition like this, you know, kind of clean, no cracks, no cut cables or anything like that, you should be able to get about $10 out of these things. So like in the first video, like, subscribe, comment if you have comments, good or bad. If you have any suggestions about what I should scrap, I'll try to look for it. I've done videos based on suggestions, so let me know. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Ciao.